Hello, today we'd like to present you how to recover a totally dead Motorola radio battery that do not accepting any charge and showing problem on charger. This is going to be performed on the Motorola ATX just because I've got those dead batteries, but exactly the same protocol you can use on basically every single Mototrbo battery, even on the latest R7. So first let's take a look at the problem. Here we've got sample battery ATX. I'm trying to power on my radio, and as you can see it is totally dead, it is not booting up. A very important disclaimer, just because I'm presenting it on the Motorola ATX batteries, then I have to tell you that you absolutely do not follow this tutorial, and every single battery that I recover by following that way will be marked by non-ATX stickers, so no one will confuse them. But of course, if you are going to be doing it for the regular DP series, then absolutely no problem, and you do not have to mark them. When this problem is happening, when someone leave a radio on, lying around for like a month, then when you came back, most likely the BMS is cutting the voltage input and lock the battery, so it's going to be totally useless, and those ATX batteries are extremely expensive. So let's take a look how the problem present. Here I've got the genuine Motorola charger. We are plugging it to my power supply. And first let me present you this on the non-Impress battery charger. This is a dumb charger and I absolutely love them for every single service purpose because it's skipping everything that is on the Impress series. So I'm plugging it, it detected and it go green. So now the radio is technically on and it should boot up, but it's not passing any current through the contacts and the radio appear totally dead. So yeah, we've got a serious problem. Here we've got a genuine Impress charger, and as soon as we drop it in, we've got information that we've got a fault and the battery is not charging. The first thing you would like to do is you would like to remove your battery and you would like to take a look at the contacts, and different batteries will have different shape, but here they are so nice, they give you a pinout, and here we've got the positive and here we've got the negative, and those are the terminals that are technically not being used for recharging, so they are skipping part of the BMS that is blocking input from the rear. And if we grab multimeter, just like this, and we try to measure our voltage, you will notice that we've got basically nothing. We've got absolutely nothing on the output terminals. So yes, this battery is totally dead and totally locked out. To recover our dead battery, I will grab my power supply. We are going to set it to 8.4 volt. That is going to be like a safe value. And following the schematic here, we are going to be applying positive and negative. So let's grab it just like that. And as you can see, the current is flowing and the voltage very quickly go up. So this is telling me that those cells inside were sitting around 3 volts per cell. So this is absolutely no problem for them and they are going to be fully operational. And I deeply believe that if we plug it to the non-Impress charger, first let's measure what we are reading here. And we are reading 1.3 volts, so you can see that the difference is really massive. But now when we drop it in, as you can see, now we are recharging. We are recharging without any issue, and as soon the voltage is going to be high enough, you will be able to use your Impress charger, and this is how you can recover your battery. And if we measure here right now with the charger attached, we should see like a full voltage. As you can see, we've got a 6 volt, so you can clearly see that the battery is taking charge. I'm wondering if this battery is holding enough charge to boot up our radio, and as you can see, it is starting without any issue. And of course, since we are working with the ATX, make sure to put non-ATX sticker so no one will confuse them and use in the hazardous location. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.